My curried butternut squash soup is the perfect recipe to make when you're just trying to get comfortable with the MultiPot. Literally, you take all of the stuff, you put it in here, you seal it, and then you can leave. Hey guys, I'm Megan Mitchell, a chef, a recipe developer, and a food stylist here at Mealthy. And today I'm gonna show you the Mealthy MultiPot. I love this appliance because it's a pressure cooker, but it also functions as a slow cooker, it's a yogurt maker, a steamer, a rice cooker, and it sautés. It comes with a trivet, a steamer basket, a ladle, a rice paddle, a measuring cup, a spare gasket, and silicone gloves for handling the hot pot. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make this soup, so let's get started. I have butternut, which I've already cubed up this squash, it's ready to go. I have chicken stock. I'm using low sodium chicken stock, that way I can adjust how much salt goes into the dish. Coconut milk. I have green onions that I've chopped up into 1-inch pieces. After this is cooked, I'm actually gonna immersion blender it. I just cut them up to help my blender at the end. I have peeled ginger, 2 bay leaves, and then mas spices. I have curry powder, because it's a curried butternut squash soup, turmeric, which adds a beautiful color. I mean, this is gonna be a pretty orange soup. What is this? Oh, it's cumin. Cinnamon, cayenne pepper. You can add as much or as little as you like. If you like things really spicy, a lot of heat, add a good amount. If you don't like spice, then don't put it in. Salt and pepper. You need a good amount. This is seasoning the entire soup. Now that this is all together, we're gonna stir it up. Just stir it because you want all of the spices to be evenly distributed, right? This is the perfect weeknight meal. When you're rushed, you get home, you want something hearty, homemade, comforting, but you don't have 4 hours to spend. I got you. Time to put the lid on. And it'll make that glorious sound. And then you're gonna twist it. It's my workout. You'll see the steam valve on top. You wanna set it, one says venting and one says sealing. You wanna twist it, and it moves around kind of easily. Like it doesn't really lock into place, so you might push it and you're like, it's not there. It's there. As long as it's pointing to sealing, you're good to go. All right, now that my lid's on and I set it to sealing, I'm going to turn it on. I'm gonna use the soup broth button because we're making soup. So what you do is you just hit it until you get the time and the pressure you want. So I want it on normal and I want it for 30 minutes. There we go. And wait a sec, it's not gonna go and be ready right away, so wait. It's ready. And it's not gonna start counting down right away. It's gonna pressurize in there, so it might let off some steam, it might make some cool weird noises that you've never heard before, but just give it time and then you'll know it starts cooking when the 30 minutes come up. So it'll go 30, 29, 28, and it'll start counting down. That's how you know it's cooking. So now I gotta go call my mom. I'll be back, but this is ready to go. See you later. It's done. It'll beep. And once it's done beeping, it'll actually start counting back up and it'll keep it warm. But I don't wanna do that anymore because I wanna cancel and I wanna do a quick pressure release. So I'm gonna hit cancel. So carefully turn it from sealing to venting. And obviously do not put your face over this. This is hot steam coming through. So you'll know it's ready when it stops steaming, but also the red floater valve will go down. And that's when you know it's ready to open the lid. Now it's ready to be opened. And obviously there's still some more steam in there, so just be careful when you open it. And that's ready to go. You look so good. Okay, we need to fish out the bay leaves. Now I'm gonna use the Mealthy hand blend immersion blender. And you wanna put it straight up, submerged in the liquid so it doesn't go everywhere, and then turn it on. And then just blend it up. Ooh, this is silky smooth. If you want it even smoother, you can strain it through a fine mesh strainer, but I don't wanna do that. It looks gorgeous. I'm hungry, I wanna eat it right now. But if you don't want to, you can pop the lid back on, and then hit keep warm, and it'll keep it warm for up to 24 hours. So if you have friends coming over later or a dinner party, you don't wanna take this out, put it in a pot, worry about it splattering, all that, you just keep it warm in here. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna garnish it with some green onions and cilantro. And there you go, my curried butternut squash soup. Dumped everything in the pot, 30 minutes later, blended it up, and we have this easy, delicious meal. And that's how easy it is to make. For this and other MultiPot recipes, head to the Mealthy app or Mealthy.com. Enjoy!